Chapter 3. Movements of the Earth. During the day, the sun seems to rise, travel across the sky, and then disappear. At night, the stars appear, and the moon slowly changes its position and shape. These changes happen regularly and follow a clear pattern. But what causes them? Although we do not feel it, the earth is constantly in motion. It moves in two ways. The earth spins on its own axis, like a top. This is known as rotation. The earth revolves around the sun in a fixed path. This motion is known as revolution. Each movement affects life on earth in a different way. The rotation of the earth causes the cycle of day and night, while the revolution, along with the tilt of the earth's axis, causes the changing seasons. Rotation: the earth rotates on an axis or an imaginary line that passes from the North Pole to the South Pole. This axis is tilted at an angle of 66.5 degrees to the plane of the Earth's orbit. Rotation is the movement of the Earth on its axis. The Earth completes one full rotation in roughly 24 hours. This continuous spinning causes the regular change between day and night. The Earth rotates from west to east, which is why the sun appears to rise in the east and set in the west. In reality, it is the Earth's rotation that makes it appear as if the sun is moving across the sky. We do not feel this motion because the Earth, its atmosphere, and everything on it are moving together at the same speed. At any given time, only one half of the Earth faces the sun. That side receives sunlight and experiences day, while the other half, which is turned away from the sun, remains in darkness and has night. As the earth rotates, countries on its surface gradually move into or out of sunlight. This steady rotation creates a continuous cycle of day and night for every place on earth. It is the reason we observe sunrises, sunsets, and the changing position of shadows throughout the day. Revolution: the earth does not stay still in space. While it spins on its axis, it also moves around the sun. This movement is called revolution. The earth follows a fixed path, known as orbit, around the sun. This orbit is not a perfect circle, but is slightly elliptical, or oval in shape. The Earth takes about 365 and a quarter days to complete one full revolution around the Sun. This period is what we call a year. However, since we cannot show a quarter of a day in our calendar each year, this extra time is managed in a special way. Every 4 years, the extra quarters are added together to make one full day. This extra day is added to the month of February, which then has 29 days instead of 28. A year with this extra day is called a leap year. As the Earth revolves around the Sun, its axis remains tilted at an angle of 66.5 degrees to the plane of its orbit. This tilt does not change as the Earth moves around the Sun. Because of this, different parts of the Earth receive different amounts of sunlight at different times of the year. As the Earth revolves around the Sun, sometimes the northern hemisphere is tilted towards the Sun, and sometimes the southern hemisphere is tilted towards the Sun. The hemisphere that receives more direct sunlight experiences summer, while the other experiences winter. When neither hemisphere is tilted towards or away from the Sun, Both receive nearly equal sunlight. This leads to spring or autumn. This pattern continues throughout the year and gives us the four main seasons: summer, winter, spring, and autumn. The changing seasons affect the weather, length of days and nights, clothing, crops, and many other aspects of life on Earth. March. Both hemispheres receive equal sunlight. Spring in northern hemisphere, autumn in southern hemisphere. June. Summer in northern hemisphere, tilted towards the sun. Winter in southern hemisphere, tilted away from the sun. September. Both hemispheres receive equal sunlight. Autumn in northern hemisphere, spring in southern hemisphere. December. Winter in northern hemisphere, tilted away from the sun. Summer in southern hemisphere, tilted towards the sun. Words I know. Rotation, the movement of the earth on its axis. Revolution, the movement of the earth around the sun. Axis, imaginary line that passes from the north pole to the south pole on which the earth rotates. Orbit, the fixed path in which the earth revolves around the sun. Year, the time taken by the earth to complete one full revolution. Leap year, the year with an extra day. To sum up, rotation is the movement of the earth on its axis from west to east. The earth's rotation causes night and day. Revolution is the movement of the earth around the sun in an orbit. The revolution of the earth causes seasons. Depending on the tilt of the earth and the amount of sunlight received, the north and south hemispheres experience different seasons at different times of the year.